Parmesan Crusted Baked Chicken Nuggets, ready in 15 minutes. Melt half a stick of salted butter. Grate half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Grab 1 cup of Italian-style flavored breadcrumbs. Add some Italian seasoning. Don't forget your hot seeds. Slap some powdered garlic right into the bowl. Then mix it up real good. Trim your chicken breast. Then cut it into nugget-sized pieces. Coat the chicken with the melted butter, then coat it with the breadcrumbs. Jam it into your 450-degree preheated oven. They should be ready in about 10 minutes, but always cook your chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. And if you want them extra crispy, put them under the broiler for about 2 minutes. Slap them on a plate. These nuggets go great with any condiment. I'm serving it with blue cheese dressing. You're gonna like these. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.